Welcome to CCNA Lab. Today you'll learn how to configure a management IP address on a Cisco switch. A management IP allows network administrators to remotely monitor and manage the switch without needing to be physically connected. Looking at our topology, PC1 is connected to switch 1. We'll configure VLAN 1 with an IP address of 192.168.1.2 so the switch can be managed across the network. Let's begin by connecting to the switch console. You'll start in user exec mode, identified by the greater than symbol. Type enable and press enter. The prompt changes to the pound sign, indicating you're now in privileged exec mode. Next, type configure terminal. This enters global configuration mode, where configuration changes are made. Now access the management interface by typing interface VLAN 1. VLAN 1 is the default management interface on most Cisco switches. Next, assign the management IP address by typing IP address 192.168.1.2, 255.255.255.0. This IP address allows the switch to be reached remotely from devices on the same network. Now type no shutdown. This activates the management interface. Without this command, the interface would remain administratively down. Let's verify the configuration. Type show IP interface brief. VLAN 1 should display the IP address 129.168.1.2 with both status and protocol showing up. Now move to PC1 and verify the network settings using ipconfig. Finally, test connectivity by typing ping 192.168.1.2 if you receive replies. Congratulations, your management IP has been configured successfully and the switch is ready for remote administration before leaving the lab. Always save your configuration. Type copy, running config, startup config, press enter to accept the default file name. Congratulations, you've successfully configured your first management IP address on a Cisco switch. If you're enjoying these hands-on labs, follow IT step by step for more Cisco Packet Tracer labs, networking, cybersecurity, help desk, and real IT training. I'll see you in the next simulation.